Hi there! Do you think video creation is a complicated process requiring some special designing skills? Does it prevent you from making videos for your marketing campaigns? Good news for you! You don't need to be a designer to create good-looking videos to promote your business. My name is Maria, and today I'll show you how to use video templates to easily create branded video content. Let's go! When you enter the world of video creation, it might be difficult to start from scratch. That's why Wave.video comes with hundreds of pre-designed templates that you can see here in the library. They were made by our professional designers, and here on the left you can filter them by use case, industry, or occasion. But the idea of this video tutorial is to show you that you don't actually need a certain template for a certain purpose. You can grab any that you visually like, and following some simple rules that I'll show you now, adjust it to your needs and to your brand. For example, let's take this template that is called 3 mistakes to avoid when making a video for blog. Obviously, this template was designed for a content manager like me, but let's pretend I'm a yoga teacher and I want to make an invitation to my online yoga class. I want a horizontal video, so I select the format here and hit edit. All right, this template has 5 frames, and each frame has some footage on the left and some text on the right that now we need to replace with our yoga content. I'll start with the tags because I want to shape my message first, and then I'll choose the matching footage for each frame. So I remove text from here and replace it with my text. The #1 rule of working with video templates is that you don't need to change a lot of elements, otherwise you ruin the visual harmony. All right, I have the text ready for every slide, so it's time to start working on the footage. I'll go back to the first slide and hit Replace button. Wave.video comes with an extensive library of stock footage. I'll search for yoga teacher. All right, let's pretend it's me. Now I will change footage on every slide, and I'll use favorites folder for that. I have some pre-selected footage here in this folder, and I'll use it now. Center it. All right, our yoga video is almost ready. It just needs some final adjustments. For example, go back and center the text. I'll do it for every slide. Do you remember I told you that you don't need to change a lot of elements, but you still can change some? For example, I think that yoga colors are pale, so I want to calm down the palette of this video a little bit. So I'll change the background for this text and make it pale. Also, I want the background to be white. Again, I will do it for every slide now. The very final touch to get your branded video content is to add your logo. Hit your logo and change it to the one that you uploaded previously, like this. There is one more important component, the background music. Let's go to the music library and pick some relaxing music that would fit our vibes. Now let's check how it looks like. Do you remember the source template that I chose to make this video? Originally, it has nothing to do with yoga or any sports at all. I only changed the footage, the text, and some colors, and got a completely new video that fits my industry and fits my purposes. The most important thing about this process is that I didn't change a lot of elements, so I managed to keep this visual harmony created by our designers. And I encourage you to do the same. Don't be afraid of video creation. Just choose a template that you like and customize it to your industry, to your business, and I'm sure you will be amazed with the results. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching. Bye.